Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and also tap on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload. As you see from the title and this jar of BW2, I am what? Dyeing my hair. Oh my goodness, this is going to be an adventure. And I will side note and let you know that whenever I bleached my hair, that was an experience. Oh my goodness, my nose was burning and I could not deal, but you know what? I got through it. Keep pushing. Also, this is the Manic Panic violet color that I use as well to color my hair. Let's get into the coloring. Woo! Purple is gonna be so fire. So look at that. The color is coming through. I went ahead and dyed it. This is actually the first time I actually did this because I ended up having to do this twice because the second time it stuck, honey. It was so cute once it was done. But anyway, I'll let you know the story behind that. The first time I dyed my hair with this color, I did not leave it on long enough. Ooh, who knew? Who knew? I would recommend that you would leave this hair dye on your hair for at least 8 hours. So if you have somewhere to go, I would not recommend for you to do your hair that day. I've actually heard that people really left this dye on their hair for 24 hours, but I don't got time for that. No, not at all, honey. So the 8 hours actually gave me the best results that I wanted because the first time the color was so light and I was not feeling that. No way. I also wanted to add that you have got to make sure you protect your hair before you bleach it, because if you do not do that, you will more than likely experience some breakage and you will not be happy with that. So make sure you use like a coconut oil or whatever you prefer to moisturize your hair. And also throughout the process, whenever you have this dye in your hair over time, like a daily reminder, you need to moisturize your hair or else your hair will fall out. Like it will keep breaking off. I actually experienced that whenever I dyed like the ends of my hair was breaking off and I did not know why. But then I found out that I was not moisturizing my hair enough. But that is something that you need to do anyway.